Today I'll show you how to edit and remove green screen on CapCut. Green screen editing lets you remove a solid green background and replace it with another image or video. This is useful for reaction videos, gaming clips, tutorials, product videos, and creative edits. First, open the CapCut app on your phone or computer. Tap New Project. Now, choose the background video or image you want to use. Tap Add to place it on the main timeline. Next, tap Overlay. Choose Add Overlay. Then select the video that has the green screen background. Tap Add. Now resize and position the green screen clip on top of your background. Select the green screen overlay clip in the timeline. Swipe through the editing tools and tap Chroma Key. Now tap the color picker. Move the picker onto the green background in your video. After selecting the green color, adjust the strength slider. Increase the strength until most of the green background disappears. Then adjust the shadow slider if the edges look too harsh or unnatural. Preview the video and check around the subject. If you still see green edges, adjust the strength again until the subject looks clean. If your clip does not have a perfect green background, you can also try Remove BG or Auto Cutout instead. Once the green screen is removed, edit the clip like normal. You can trim it, resize it, add filters, adjust color, add text, insert music, or apply effects. Finally, play the video from start to finish. If everything looks good, tap Export and save the final video to your device. And that's it. You've successfully edited and removed a green screen on CapCut. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.